So today we are going to learn how to make radio buttons like this and work with them, get the output from them. Then we can manipulate them into creating like quiz app and some other things like that. So let's get started here. So we can create a radio button by just seeking out radio button. Then we have our root here. Then we have our text to be set to the value banana. And we have our value. Actually, we want the text to be the value here to be set to banana. Then there's a way we can work with variables in tk. There's something called tkinter variable, and that could be just like u equals to tk dot. We can have int val, but here we are using string, so we have string val. So they want to set a variable here to yo. So I want to pack this. So we can just duplicate this 4 more times, maybe 3 more times, then here we want to have apple values here to apple. Here we want to have orange. Here I want to have mango. Here I have mango. So when we run this, we can actually see our labels here. Then we can just simply align this to the wall. We're just saying anchor. Sorry. So anchor equals to west. Same thing applicable to all these. Anchor equals to west. Anchor equals to west. And the last but not the least, anchor west. So we can set a variable to be set, any variable to be set by default, just like set, can say banana. So let's run this. Can see banana is selected by default, then we can change the value. So let's get the output by just clicking a button here. So I'm gonna take this down a little bit. So I could just say my button equals to tk dot button. And so these are the roots. I want the text here to be select then we want the command to be our select function. I want to pack, then we can my button here dot pack. Can also anchor this to the west. So we want to have our select function right here. So this is our select function right up here. Then right here we could just say my label equals to tk dot label text equals to something like say u dot get, and we could pack my label. So anytime we click the button, we get the value which is selected there. So let's check this out here. You can see get banana here. So get mango, orange, apple. Actually, there's a simple way to do this. Imagine you want to create a lot of radio button. You can't just be doing this. You can actually use for loop here. So if you just comment all this, then to use for loop here, you have to have your dictionary or your kind of list and tuple combined together. So I'm going to have a dictionary here, just like this. So here is my dictionary here. Right, this is my value. Sorry, this is my text, and this is my value here. So I'm going to have for loop here to loop through the dictionary, just like for item value in just a list. Sorry, dot items. Then I want to have our radio button, just like tk dot radio button. Then I want to have it to be root. Then the text should be the item, and the value should be set to value. Then we have our variable here, the then we can just pack this call to the west. So we can see here, we see have the same outcome here. What we are just simply doing here is looping through this. So if I want to add any more values here, I could just go here, add more values here through here. Did have to create another full radio button like this to add my value. So I could just go here and add my value. So let's say I want to come here and write line. So just come here, line. So could run this again and see our line is now here. So we have 5 values here now. So that's actually I work with RadioButton, and this will be all for today. Thank you very much for sticking around with us. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell. And if there's any idea you think I should do, if anything you think you have a problem with, comment down there so I can give you tutorials on it. And please don't forget to like this video. Thank you.